So this is a very new innovation of Nestle wine application. Sorry, Mama Stella.
Very interesting product, no? Oo, alam nyo guys, kung hindi pa tayo nakakasal sa Liver, hindi tayo explore natin mga produkto. Ano po ang ating ulo-ulo nyo. Nakasaya, kung hindi ko ito nakikita ang ibang produkto na sa loob ng organization, hindi na po tayo doon sa counter. Ito yung opportunity natin na makilala sila isa and yung minimum what we have with what your family needs. Speaking of what your family needs, I think we need to do one of the very important and fun part of our celebration, which is the raffle. Okay, ang tanong ko na pangalanan natin ng mga private ngayon, ang unang ceremony ay wala na ko ng best worker in drugs. Sino gusto na kayo? Alright. Napakarami pa ako yung natin for the we'll to start. Pag inaw po natin yung mga nyo, congratulations na nalang po kayo mga ipintulisan ko na dito ay pagkawa ng tawagan ng keso. Kayo ay mahalaga sa amin. Importante kayo ay nakisalo at italong kayo kami.
Salamat nga. Nakakadaming tao this morning. And as a way, we have MPC gift certificates to be given. The first winner is Princess Michelle de la Cruz. Princess de la Cruz, taking your prize.
Oo, anytime between now and the end of our event, it is bago sa mo. Okay, mga answer the winner is Juan Miguel M. Papa. Congratulations!
Congratulations also to Ms. Cameron Loriza.
Ayan. Okay, next winner is Jose P. Mendoza. Congratulations! Congratulations kayo! And I hear the 1,000 pesos CC na parang
Our next winner is Jeffrey Gabriel. Jeffrey Gabriel, congratulations.
Actually, the winner po natin ay si Charles Alessandro Mata. Congratulations!
Congratulations to Jared Gabriel.
Ayan, ang next winner naman natin ay si Evangelina Q. Mendoza. Ayun, ang inyong pamilya ay nakakolekta na ng 2,000 worth of grocery drug.
Winner is Ariel Tiquina. Ariel Tiquina, congratulations.
Alright, next winner naman natin ay si Jenny Leonique. Congratulations! 1,000 pesos for the gift certificate. Next winner, please.
Next winner is Paul Andre Armin.
Alright, ang sa winner naman ay si Robert Eric Joseph Papa. Malabalik din sa aking unang winner niya. Oo, nasa akin yung family after sa iyo yung singles. Oo, alright.
So the next winner is Janine Romeo. Janine Romeo, congratulations.
Hello partner, masusubukan kayo natin magbasa ng handwriting ng mga tao dito. Pero susubukan ko mga pangalan. Sana ay ang pangalan mo ay Jenny Lynn Solomon. Congratulations, you won. We're going to graduate to Congratulations.
Congratulations also to Joe Javier. Joe Javier, are you here? Congratulations.
Alright, ito partner. Mukhang presenta ang siula. Ito, nakalagay. Sana tama yung basa ko. It could be Ams, it could be Alice. Tapos, Soliman, or tatawagan ka na lang namin kasi hindi ko magkakatawa ko na
Our next winner is Wendy Cadilla. Wendy Cadilla, congratulations.
Next winner is Veronica Y. Baltazar. Congratulations.
Candice Lopez Olegario. Thank you for the name so for the Candice Loving Olegario.
Ito naman mga set of three times na tayo talaga. Myra Valencia. Myra Valencia. Sana inyo talaga yung pangalan. Congratulations.
Congratulations also to Mary. Face Para Benjamin Liu.
Para Benjamin Liu. Oo, looks like